you're gonna hit on copy and make money. Yes, that is right. It's that easy. You're just gonna have to do it again and again, 20 to 30 times a day, and even more if you can. And you're gonna keep making money. And your average daily earning could be anywhere from $100 up to $1,000. And the results, they depend, but again, you guys are gonna love it. We have my own secret tactics. We're gonna jump into it right now, so make sure that you look at What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. You're gonna earn so much more money compared to those who won't watch the entire video and who won't be able to get the bonus tips that I had promised. Promise you guys though, this is a 100% free method. It's available worldwide. It won't require any investment, and on any device it is compatible, and that is why it's also perfect for newbies who don't have any experience at all. You don't need any skills as well. You just can come into this as a brand new person in the money making online industry. So don't skip anything, watch until the very end, listen to my steps and the tips, and let's jump right into it. So I want you guys to check out the earning potential of this website first. So we have this amount of money and this amount of money, and over again, there's just so much money. I'm going to show you how you can earn big money online, just like this one, just like all of these people coming from all over the world. And the best part is all you have to do is copy and paste, and using my secret method that's going to have to do all of the hard work for you, all of the manual work for you. You don't need any experience or you need skills. You don't need any of that. Just make sure you watch until the very end so you don't miss anything important. So the first website that we're going to be talking about is SEOclerks.com. Now I want to show you something really interesting. When you go on the search bar over here, you're going to type in video, and then you're going to press on the search button. Now you're going to focus and pay close attention. I want you to look at this. $150 over here, $300, $200, $300. This is how much money we're actually talking about. This is how much money we could be making. It's possible for you, 100%, that you're going to make this money as well. Okay? So, now, basically selling a service, okay, to help people create YouTube promotional video. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have any experience. I don't know anything about video editing, creating videos whatsoever. You don't need to. I got you covered. This is exactly why you're watching today's video, because you're going to learn how to do this on your own. Again, 100% free, worldwide, super easy to do. So right now, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a free account and actually start making money. So first of all, you're going to go on and click on this blue button that says join now. Okay, and this is where you can register for a free account. It's actually very simple. All you have to do is input in your email, your username, your password, and your skills. Now pay attention and listen. It's very important. So for your skills, you're going to type in video promotion. And over here, you're just going to put in your full name. You're going to click on this I'm not a robot. You're going to click on the register button, and as simple as that. Now moving on to the next step, okay? As soon as you've registered for SEOclerks.com, I want you to go onto the second website where you're going to simply copy and paste and start making money online, just like all of the people that I had showed you earlier making hundreds of dollars on this website. And this website is actually called Addy Maker. And as you can see over here, you can create a lot of simple video promotions. Basically, you can just copy and paste, and you can create a high performing video commercial of your own, on your own, and again, 100% free to use, no credit card, nothing. And then you're gonna see that there are over 4 million users on this website worldwide. Literally anyone can do this. There's already over 5 million videos already made, created, edited as well. And take a look at this. It's gonna take $0 to get started right away. Wow. And really quickly, I want to show you guys an example of one of the videos that you can create on this website for completely free, and then you can start selling them on this website as well. So we're gonna take a look at these guys are doing the same thing. They go on, create a very simple video promotion, and then they're selling it, and then this is how much they're earning: $200, $400, $300, up to $1,000, which is crazy. Now, for my subscribers and my viewers, if you guys just want to earn money, okay, if you guys want to earn money and extra money, you're gonna go onto our description box down below, and you're gonna click on all of the links that I had inputted there, because these links I have created for you guys, and I made sure that you guys are going to be able to use these links. So make sure you check them out, click on them, because you're going to make so much more money than ever. Okay? Also, I want you guys to answer this question. When you earn money from this strategy, what would you do as soon as you receive it? I'm just curious. And while you're at it, include what country you come from and maybe what other videos you'd like to see in the future so that we can note them down. Anyway, moving forward, most of them obviously just simply use a free software to do everything in an automated way. They're using this software, for example, just like this website, Animaker, and they create simple videos using that. And check this out. I want you to watch this sample video. It's very clean, very professional. As you can see, there are a lot of people who have used these done pre-made templates that you can also use right away and start editing them the way you want it if you want to. So yeah, pretty much it. So I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste the entire video and how we can actually upload them to SEOclerks.com and start earning $400, $900, $1,000 over and over and over again. But first, you are going to have to sign up for a free worldwide account. So all you have to do is go on here and click on the sign up link on the top. You're going to click on sign up now, and then after that, you're going to put in your name, your email, your password. You're going to agree to the terms, and then you're going to sign up. And then obviously you have to confirm your email. You already know how to do this. So as soon as you've activated your account, this is your dashboard, and then you're going to see the entire template that's done on it. Or you can leave it be, but it's already super professional on its own, so you don't even need to worry about it. But if you guys really have the urge to just change a few things, you can do that. So for example, the dollars, this is where you're going to share your video. I'm going to show you a real example, a real demo on one of the templates that we had downloaded. So you can copy and paste and edit them super fast, as I've mentioned. Super easy. Everything here and everything is done for you. Now, let me show you to add, date, and customize the video on Animaker. It's totally optional. You can actually see here on your left side that there are characters, a lot of different characters, which you can actually add them into the template. For example, I want to add this in the mail guide. I just want you to click on them. Basically, just add whatever you want, okay? You can add characters, you can add icons, whatsoever. Click on play. It's just going to start loading for a while. And then it's awesome. It's cool already, right? So you can also click on this coffee icon, add shapes, different tags. Literally, you can do absolutely anything that you want. So I can just want to show you how simple it is to use this free website, this free software, and it's super duper easy. For example, you need a 1-minute video, you can get it here as well. And again, just keep on adding, you can keep on playing to see how it works, and it's absolutely amazing. So now obviously you're ready, you have a video, you can finally see how it works when you upload it on SEO Clerks, right? So before we continue on, okay, like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be kept updated on all of our videos, and we promise you won't regret it. Also, maybe comment down below what you guys are loving so far so we can read through them and maybe even respond to some. So go do that now, and let's get on. So you can upload on SEOclerks.com. When you're ready, you can start making hundreds of dollars. Now, if you take a look at these guys, they're already making over $600, and it's just absolutely amazing. So quick recap, basically what you're going to do, go on Animaker, create your own YouTube promotional video. You're going to go onto SEO Clerks. You're going to look for people looking for the specific type of service you are going to offer your service, and then you're going to make videos on Animaker.com. Then you're going to download those videos, and you can make as many as you want for completely free. You're going to submit it to your clients, and you're going to earn money beyond measure. So make sure that you do that, and that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.